Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to flex an image on Photoshop. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. So if you're my new subscriber, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So once you're in Photoshop, you simply click on the image, after which you click on what? Image rotation. Once you're there, you're going to see vertical and horizontal, so that's it. If you want to make it vertical, you simply click on what? Vertical. So guys, that's the way you flex your image on Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.